Today we're gonna be changing my charcoal canister because this car is a certified piece of shit. Yeah, I got my boy Yax here recording. He's gonna help me because, you know, yeah. That's all I got, man.
What's up, guys? It's Dude TV dropping another video for you, and in today's video we are going to be, as Yak said, replacing my charcoal canister because he's right, this car is a certified piece of shit. And I have an evap leak, which this might not be the issue. It might actually be a faulty leak detection pump. So if this doesn't help, then we're gonna have to order a leak detection pump for that. I thought I ordered one, but it's the wrong part. I'll show you guys in a little bit. It might just be the sensor, or it just might not go in my car at all, but I ordered the wrong thing. So we're gonna swap that out and see if the misfire stops. I don't know how well you guys keep up with my TikTok, but I made a video a while back that probably got like 2 views on it. But my OEM charcoal canister that came on the car was entirely full of water.
Okay, so basically, I don't know how well you guys keep up with Stu TV's TikTok, but a while ago, he made a video of when we bagged this car, he took out his fender liners and his quarter liners, and his charcoal canister got full of water, so it was fucked. So he just got a new one, we're gonna install it. He's gonna take off the wheel, and then the fender liner, and then, yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what happened. We're basically still trying to figure out the issue. We don't know if it is a charcoal canister itself, a sensor that's on the charcoal canister. It could be the filter was really bad, or it could be the leak detection pump. And I hope it's kind of not the leak detection pump because I'm really broke and there's $100 I just don't want to have to spend. So we're gonna hope that it's just a charcoal canister. GTI, we ball. All right, so we got the fender liner out, so now we're going to disconnect this part, and then there's a couple lines up here that we have to take off. Wait, what happened?
Remember the literature book Alexis threw at the back of my fucking head?
Yo, were you the one in that live video where that
she did it in the fucking hallway too, so they didn't get caught on camera.
What the?
You threw an AP lit book at
An AP lit book at the back of my fucking head.
All right, guys, listen. I have to tell you guys something. I'm not entirely lazy. Like, I'm not as lazy as you think I may look. Like, because Yax does, like, everything on my car. But I literally told him to come over, and he's not allowed to help. And this is what happened. I needed help with one thing. One thing. And he's already trying to put it back in himself. So, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's Yax's fault.
It's my fault. I'll take the blame.
Go subscribe to his YouTube. It's called EXEO. I'll tag it in the description below. All right, so Yax got this out. What a nice guy he is. And now he already wants to put it back in. But I think I'm going to take it from him before he can do it. As you can see, I didn't take it from Yax because he didn't let me.
For 1,000 views, roughly.
That's not bad, dude.
No.
What?
That's a lot, actually.
No, it's not.
Ton.
Bullshit. I'm reading
Not
that.
bullshitting.
That's a shit ton.
How much YouTube Shorts pay for 1,000 views? 8 creators recently shared how much YouTube paid them per 1,000 views, and their answers ranged from $1.61 to $29.30.
You know what? That's probably true because, like, on my YouTube, I watch like a lot of like random drop shipping and like how to make money shit.
Yeah.
And like on my recommended, I've been getting videos of how to make like $30,000 a month posting shorts, and I haven't watched any of the videos.
Dude, are you fucking serious?
Yeah. It took me 30 seconds to find that.
It literally says $1.61 to $29.30.
Leave Twitch, YouTube's
Bro,
where it's at.
I am going to be, bro. If I'm checking my shit right now, and if I earn any money from it, I wonder if I can even check because I just. Oh no, I can't because I got it today.
Leave Twitch.
Yeah,
They're fucking.
Yeah, don't leave Twitch. I have to block that out because that's like. Who is gonna like come on my fucking neck and they're gonna be like, you're fucking racist and you're fucking.
Okay, all right.
I bet you voted for Donald Trump. No, we cannot talk about politics.
Not on the YouTube.
Not on YouTube. No, like that clip won't even make it to the video.
Leave Twitch.
He's single, ladies. Anyway, I'm gonna check my stuff right now and see if I made any money off shorts. But I don't think I did because I've only been getting paid for shorts for like half of today. Like I signed up for it today. So
I would check it in the morning then, to be honest with you.
yeah. I did post one tonight though. Yo, you see the merch on the back of Yax's back there?
They don't make 3Xs.
I guess if you need dope car apparel, go to endoftheworldclothing.com. Use code S2TV. You get 10% of everything on the website.
Hold the fucking.
Merch, banners, stickers. Oh my, Jonah, we make up to 4 times. We make 4 X's.
I need a tall.
I gotta block your titties out of the picture now. But Jonah did have a question. We make smalls, medium, larges, extra larges, double extra large. Oh fuck English.
Double extra large.
2 X's, 3 X's, and 4 X's. I think we go up to 4X. No, we do not make kid sizes because kid sizes shirts don't fucking sell. So Jonah and I were doing that like we made up a bit and Yax already put that shit back in. So
Hey, we wasted your time.
So we threw the charcoal canister up in this biatch, and we're going to see if it misfires. I'm gonna assume it probably will, but we're gonna find out. All right, so it's the next day. I didn't really record much of that. It was kind of like weird because you guys have already seen it. If you've already watched my videos, you've already seen me take that apart and put it back together like a million times. So I didn't really see the point. Let's get a cold start on this thing. We got the 5W40 liquid moly glow in the dark bullshit on deck. Now we're out to the legend himself's garage, Big D, and he's gonna check my oil pan out for me and see if he can get that fixed. And I kind of hope he changes the oil while he's in there. I'm gonna ask him if he doesn't want to do it. Fuck it. I'm not gonna lie, I just tried to leave without airing up first, and that scared me. I hope I didn't just crack my fender. Okay, now we're good to go. Also, I was trying to get a new merchandise drop for you guys, but Trevor's kind of slacking, like really heavy. Trevor, make that damn shirt. All right, so I don't think there's gonna be very much to record at the shop, but I'm gonna let you guys know how everything goes after the fact. All right, y'all, I'm dirty as fuck, but we are going to pick up my car after I go home and shower. Yax is gonna come out and pick me up. I took it to the shop because Dom was fixing, I had 5 stripped bolts on my oil pan. So yeah, let's not talk about it. I originally thought that I stripped 1 bolt, and it turned into 5 because I am that good. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching each and every one of the videos that I'm posting. Content is super slow right now, so I know these videos are a little boring, a little monotonous, but soon enough there will be content, there will be car parts. I have literally not worked a real job in like a month. I'm just doing weird jobs for Cody's dad again. Like today I did brakes on a Kenworth. All right, so Yax and I just went to the gym. This is him after the gym. I went to the shop yesterday and I got what the fuck? Oh, shit. I went to the shop yesterday and I got everything fixed up with the oil pan. So yeah, we're good. But that is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. Use code S2TV. You get 10% off everything on the website. Merch, banners, stickers, oh my, everything you want for 10% off.
If you want dope car, restart, cut. If you want dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. Use code STUTV10. Fuck, I said 10.
Peace out, have a good day, and don't get overwhelmed.